In 2003, my father had a heart attack and he was rushed into emergency surgery where we found out that he had a congenital heart defect. This type of defect can only be detected when you have cameras put into your heart, not during a regular checkup. This was a big surprise, and his brush with death really changed how we live our lives, including how we go on vacation. Have you ever had an event in your life that changed the way you live or the way you make decisions? Well, that changed ours. After my dad's heart attack, our entire family decided that we were going to start having healthy vacations. And that's why I want to persuade you that Hawaii should be your next holiday destination. Heart-healthy Hawaiian vacation. Our family has selected Hawaii for the last 2 years, and it is really the perfect family vacation if you're looking for a tropical field holiday with culture and adventure, healthy food, and an active lifestyle. It doesn't matter what month you go to Hawaii because it's pretty even tourism every month and the weather is always nice. So you can take a holiday whenever you like, even if it's cold where you live or it's hot where you live. It's always nice in Hawaii, and you don't have to adhere to those traditional vacation dates. Once you arrive, either solo or with your family, there's so many choices. There's family activities like snorkeling, hiking, surfing, and dancing, which is one of our family's favorite things to do. Hula is a traditional dance in Hawaii, and you get to learn about history and culture, and you also get to learn to dance, which is a really, really nice, fun way to spend a vacation. And you can do it beachside, which is even better. The great thing about learning the hula is that you're taking a part of Hawaii with you. Both my sons went on our trip with us both times we went, and I did interview my son for this presentation. And he was a little bit shy, but he still wanted to offer his endorsement to Hawaii.
Hi, I'm Gil Corbett, and I'm a two-time visitor to Hawaii. The fresh food there is absolutely amazing and extremely healthy. I advise everyone to go to Hawaii at least once in a lifetime.
Gil mentioned the healthy food in Hawaii. That was definitely one of the top reasons that we chose Hawaii. The fish, the fresh vegetables, everything is absolutely incredible. The climate there also, they have lots of coffee farms. Kona coffee is famous and it has some health benefits. We took a tour there and it talked about the Kona coffee. The Hawaiians really do eat right from the earth and grow a lot of fresh stuff, and of course they're surrounded by the ocean. The Hawaii State Department of Health, and in partnership with Hawaiian Public Health Institute, works together with community members to make eating healthy easier and more convenient, and the program is called Choose Health Now. So you're going to be vacationing in a state where the entire government is working to help you eat right, and that is very reassuring. Across Hawaii, restaurants and those who sell food, they're working together to make healthy choices easy and very convenient. This is our family on one of our Hawaiian vacations. I hope that I've persuaded you all to think about Hawaii for your next vacation. And I thank you for watching.